and welcome back to writing. So, as you know, we started a new unit called ecology. So today we're going to focus on plants and animals, which also is a part of this beautiful unit, okay? Plants and animals. So let's think about the living things that live in our yard. What animals and plants do you see? So I kind of cheated and started, okay? Because, take a little time to draw. So if you look at my drawing, you should be able to tell what animals and plants I'm talking about, hopefully. You'll see a tree, so there's my plant, and some birds, there's my animal. So I'm going to write, birds live in the tree in my yard. So how many words is that? 8 words. Birds live in the tree in my yard. I'm going to have 8 words in my sentence. So as always, I start all the way over to the left with my uppercase letter to start my sentence. And I said I'm going to write birds. So I hear that b sound beginning of birds. B I R D S. Birds live in the space and write live. L I V E. Birds live in another power word. I in the power word. Yell it out. T H E. What was next? Let's see if you can remember. Birds live in the, I need my plant, tree, and there goes that tr sound. Remember, TR says tr, E, and double E, that means 2 E's. Make that E sound. There's a couple things to make the E sound, but we're going to work with double E to make that E sound. Birds live in the tree. Now, technically, I guess I could be done, but I told you before, we want to make sure we are putting our prepositional phrases in our sentences. So I'm going to add another prepositional phrase at the end, in my yard. In my M-Y yard. I hear yeah. And then I hear R. Now again, if I'm not sure, I hear R, I could just write the R because that's what I hear, right? But we should remember that there's actually 2 letters that work together to say R. And those 2 letters are A-R. So A-R together says R. Y-R-D. And there goes that D sound. All right, so let's go back and make sure it makes sense. Birds live in the tree in my yard. So again, I want to focus on my animal, birds, and a plant, tree in my yard. And since they're outside, I could add some detail to my picture. Maybe I want to put a sun, some grass. There we go, okay? So take your time, draw a beautiful picture, and sound out your words. Boys and girls, I want you saying those sounds, hearing those sounds. Say the words really slowly so you can hear all those sounds in the words, all right? So I'm going to erase the parts that I do not want you to copy. You're going to think of an animal. What animal and what plant? Animal, plants. Animal, plants. What animals and plants live in your yard? And again, this is just a helper for you. You do not have to copy my sentence. You could think of your own sentence, okay? So have fun writing. Bye, friends.